Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful gallery page in Shopify using only the built-in features. No extra apps or coding needed. So, let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to Online Store. From there, click on Pages and then hit Add Page at the top right corner. This is where we'll start building your gallery page. Give your page a name, something simple like Gallery or Our Work. Then, in the Theme Template drop-down, make sure to select Gallery Page, so Shopify knows this page will use that layout. Once you've created the page, it's time to add your images. In the Content Editor, click on the little table icon. Here, you can insert a table to organize your images neatly. You can choose how many rows and columns you want depending on how many pictures you're planning to showcase. If you want to add more rows or columns later, just right-click inside the table and select Insert Row Below or Insert Column Before. Next, click on the image icon inside the editor. This will let you upload or select images from your Shopify files. Pick the images you want to showcase and insert them one by one into your table. For each image, don't forget to add the alt text that helps with SEO and accessibility, and choose the right image size for a balanced layout. Once you've inserted all your images, the gallery will start to take shape nicely. After everything looks good, click Save, and your gallery page will be ready. You can click View Page to preview it and make sure all your images display perfectly. And that's it. You've just built a custom gallery page using Shopify's built-in features. It's clean, easy to manage, and perfect for showcasing your products collections or customer photos without needing any third-party app. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Shopify guides, and let me know in the comments what kind of page you want to create next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.